Sure. Here's a recipe for making a delicious burger. Ingredients. For the patty: 1 pound, 450 grams, ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. For the burger: 4 burger buns. 4 lettuce leaves. 4 tomato slices. 4 onion slices. 4 cheese slices, optional. Condiments of your choice: mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, etc. Instructions. 1. Preheat your grill or stovetop pan over medium-high heat. 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix everything together gently, making sure not to overwork the meat. This will help to keep the patty tender. 3. Divide the meat mixture into 4 equal portions. Shape each portion into a round patty, about 1/2 inch, 1.3 centimeters, thick. Make a slight indentation in the center of each patty to prevent it from puffing up while cooking. 4. Place the patties on the preheated grill or pan. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side for medium rare, or adjust the cooking time according to your desired level of doneness. If using cheese, add a slice to each patty during the last minute of cooking, allowing it to melt. 5. While the patties are cooking, prepare the burger buns by lightly toasting them. You can do this on the grill or in a toaster. 6. Once the patties are cooked to your liking, remove them from the heat and let them rest for a few minutes. 7. Assemble the burgers by placing a lettuce leaf on the bottom half of each bun. Add a cooked patty on top of the lettuce. Then, layer with a tomato slice and an onion slice. Add any additional condiments, such as mayonnaise, ketchup, or mustard, according to your taste. 8. Place the top half of the bun on the assembled burger. Repeat the process for the remaining patties. 9. Serve the delicious burgers immediately while they are still warm. You can pair them with French fries, coleslaw, or any other side dish of your choice. Enjoy your homemade delicious burgers.